Hello everyone, today we are in a First In Place apartment in Port de La Mer. This phase will be ready in 2020 and will follow with the second and third phase. It's going to be ready 2021 and 2022. What you can see behind me obviously is beautiful Dubai skyline and Burj Khalifa, which at night is amazing view. Behind me is marina, which is not finished yet. Later on would be the parking for yachts. And at the back in the horizon, you will see Burj Al Arab in a clear day. Follow me and I want to show you inside the apartment. Thank you. Good. Kitchen appliances looks good. Right. So we enter from the kitchen. I would say very decent size of the living dining. Very, very beautiful view. This view is not done yet. Later on when the yachts they're coming and park here, it would be amazing view. On the left we have Burj Khalifa view. Very decent size of a terrace. You can enjoy your time with family. Open kitchen. And let me take you to other sides, guest bathroom. Then we have corridor, which will give you flexibility and privacy for beds. There's gonna be a den area, which you can use it for the maid room as well. This should be your first bedroom, with overlooking to the water. Then we go to the second bedroom. Wow, access to balcony, view to the water. All the bedrooms definitely come with all these large closets. Let's walk to the other one. All right, and this is the master bedroom. L-shaped walk-in closet. A very decent size of bathroom, stand-up shower. Fair enough, very good. Very good. High ceiling. And then we go towards the water.